Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? Today we will learn difference between positive thinking and the negative thinking. Basically, it is an important matter which is related to our life, common and professional. We will understand it one by one. So let's start now. First of all, what is a positive thinking? Positive thinking is also called optimistic attitude. It is a practice of focusing on the good in any given situation. It can have a big impact on your physical and mental health. That doesn't mean you ignore reality or make light of problems. It simply means you approach the good and the bad in life with the expectation that things will go well. On the other hand, we will understand that what is the negative thinking. Negative thinking is something we all engage in from time to time, but constant negativity can destroy your mental and physical health and leaving impressed and anxious. We will understand difference between it through a unique example. As you show, it is a glass of water. And suppose that we call a person and ask, "What is this?" He says that it is a glass of water which is half full of water. We note his statement and calls the another person and ask the same question. He says that it is a glass of water which is half empty. So we also note his statement. No, we will analyze the both statements at the same time. As you are seeing, the first person has optimistic and good think because according to him, if it has a half glass of water but he has something, it shows that he has something and he is happy. On the other hand, second person is dispirited and has not positive thinking because his statement shows that he is not happy. In spite of that, having have a glass of water which is half, whereas he is not happy and depressed. I hope you have understood, but always remember that if you don't have something or have not enough, then don't worry and work hard persistently. You will achieve a unique status. In the next video, we will tell you benefits of positive thinking. So, allow me to leave. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.